I will wake up early and start my day with good habits. I will wake up early and start my day with good habits. I will study a little every day instead of last minute pressure. I will try to drink more water and eat healthy food. I will practice honesty and responsibility. I will learn something new this year. I will spend more time with my family. I will save money instead of wasting it. I will keep my school bag and study table neat and clean. I will stay calm and avoid anger. I will try to become a better version of myself. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.